Hey friends, I'm Yo-Yo on MOJO, and I'm so excited that you're here today so we can practice a very fun catching game with red light, green light. Now first, before we start, make sure that you have room to move. Now that that's done, go ahead and grab 2 socks. I like to use 2 socks to make it a little bit bigger. Any socks will do, even the stinkiest ones. And then you're gonna roll it up just like this to form a softball. Go get one and let's go. Go with Yo-Yo on MOJO. Okay friends, now that you have a softball, let's go over some road rules. When the light turns green, we're gonna have to throw and catch the ball as fast as we possibly can. Throw, catch. You can do big throws, little throws, whatever you want. Then when the light turns red, get down low into ready position. You are ready to go and freeze. Nice. When the light turns yellow, practice this with me. One hand, slow little toss. Toss and catch. Toss and catch. Woo. Good. And if we see a sign that drops down that's a U-turn, then we have to take this softball around our body, grab it with the other hand, and quickly bring it in the front, just like this, as fast as you can. Good. All right, friends, let's do this. Green light, go, throw, catch, throw it, catch it, throw it, catch it. Nice, keep going. Woo, nice. See if you can do some big throws all the way up. Catch it and bring it in. Nice. That's it, friends. Awesome. Clap that ball. Bring your hands together. Good. Throw, catch. Woo, if you mess up and it drops on the floor, pick it up right away and keep going. Red light, ready position. Good, friends. All right. Woo, green light, go. Red light, ready position. Ooh, that was fast. Green light, go. You got it. Throw it, catch it. Throw it, catch it. Nice. Oh, yellow light, one hand. Here we go. One hand, little catches. Nice. Squeeze that ball, squeeze your sock ball with your fingers. Good. Woo. I'm gonna try the other hand too. Yellow light, one hand. You got this. Come on, friends. Little toss. Little toss. Oh, messed up. Try it again. You got it. Red light, ready position. Good. Green light, go. Woo. Throw, catch. Throw it, catch it. Throw it, catch it. Come on. Keep going, friends. U-turn around your back as fast as you can. Keep going, keep going. Bring it all the way around. Keep going as fast as you can. Woo, messed up. Try it again. Keep going, keep going. Green light, go. Throw it, catch it. Throw it, catch it. Good. Woo, nice. Catch it. Come on, you're doing great. Nice. Oh, good. U-turn, take it around your back. Good, keep going, keep going. Yellow light, go slow. One hand, one hand, one hand. Nice. Come on, friends. You got this. One hand. Good. Red light. Nice. You got it. Good. Yellow light again. I'm going to try from one hand to the other hand this time. One hand to the other hand. Nice. Come on, friends. You can do this. Tell yourself good words. You can do it. We're practicing, working on the skills. It's okay if you mess up. Woo, just get right back up. Try it again. Nice. Red light. Awesome. Good. Freeze. Green light. Go as fast as you can. Whoa. Watch out for the chicken crossing the road. Woo. Jump over it. Good. Woo. Okay, back to throwing. Catching. Throwing. Catching. Another chicken crossing the road. Jump over it. Green light. Come on. Nice, friends. You got this. Keep going. Throw. Catch. Throw. Catch. Chickens crossing the road. Jump. Woo. Jump again. Jump again. Good. Throw it. Catch it. Throw it. Catch it. Throw it. Woo. Good. Keep going. U-turn. All the way around. All the way around. Nice. Oh, keep going. Woo. Come on, friends. Don't stop. As fast as you can. Red light. Woo. Hey, friends. That was so much fun. Thanks so much for making your muscles and your mind super strong and spending some Yo-Yo MOJO time to work on your catching skills. All right, friends, keep moving, don't stop, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everyone. Go with Yo-Yo on MOJO.